How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
What is your name?
My name is Rosie.
How old are you?
I am 23 years old.
Where are you from?
I am from the USA.
What is your job?
I am a secretary.
Are you married?
No, I am single.
Where do you live?
I live in New York.
Are you happy?
Yes, I am.
Are you tall?
No, I am short.
Are you tired?
A little bit.
Are you hungry?
No, I am not.
Are you busy now?
Yes, I am busy.
What is your email address?
It is rosie@mail.com.
What languages do you speak?
I speak English and Spanish.
Do you have a passport?
Yes, I do.
What is your nationality?
I am American.
Are you at the office now?
Yes, I am.
Do you have brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have one brother.
What is your father's name?
His name is Tom.
What does your mother do?
She is a teacher.
Do you live with your family?
Yes, I do.
Do you love your family?
Yes, very much.
Do you have many friends?
Yes, I do.
Who is your best friend?
My best friend is Lily.